A 5-year-old girl who suffered from Influenza A infection died of complications earlier this week. Meanwhile, the seasonal influenza vaccination subsidy scheme 2023-24 came into operation today. Health authorities have urged the public to get vaccinated soon as they expect a surge in the number of flu cases. Sharon Tang has more.
Health Secretary Lo Chung-mau today led officials and hospital authority executives to receive their seasonal influenza vaccinations. Speaking to reporters after getting jabbed, Lo said he didn't feel any pain. Latest figures show 13.47% of respiratory specimens tested positive for seasonal influenza viruses. That's a 2 percentage point increase compared with last week, also a record high since the start of the summer peak season in August. Some 150 adults and 11 children became seriously ill after catching flu during the current peak season. Among them, 91 adults and 1 child died. Tony Ko, CEO of the Hospital Authority, said the number of people seeking emergency help at public hospitals has gone up from the usual 5,000 a day to 6,000 over the past week. On some days, it can be as high as 7,000. The occupancy rates of inpatient beds in medical and pediatric wards are consistently over 100%. Many of the patients have flu or upper respiratory infection symptoms. The health chief expects not only the number of flu cases will reach its peak in the coming winter, but COVID is very likely going to make a comeback. Lo Chung-mau said social distancing measures, especially mask wearing, were implemented in the past few years. He said the coming winter will be the first since mask wearing is no longer mandatory, which he believes will pose a great challenge to the medical system. That's why this year the vaccination program is being rolled out earlier than before. Eligible residents aged 50 or above and pregnant women can receive a flu jab in one of the 1,400 private clinics participating in the scheme with a government subsidy of $260 per dose. Meanwhile, outreach vaccination programs at schools and elderly care homes will begin next Thursday. The health secretary also reminded the public that those with COVID or flu symptoms should wear a mask and avoid going to crowded places. Sharon Tang, TVB News.